Hello, Jaguars. Today is Friday, September the 4th. We are sharing next week's announcements early due to some information parents will need to know before Tuesday. We hope you enjoy your long weekend and are ready to take the lead when you return on Tuesday. Tuesday's menu choice is corn dog nuggets, tater tots, baked beans, and a Dole fruit cup. Wednesday, the main entree is chicken tenders. Thursday is a deli sandwich. And Friday is Wild M's cheese bites. You know, Jaguars, you've been given a wonderful opportunity. Every student in our building may get a free breakfast and a free lunch every day until December the 18th. So, Jaguars, even if you have eaten breakfast at home, you are welcome to stop by and pick up a grab-and-go breakfast and have it for snack later in the morning. Dr. Potter wanted to share her thoughts with you, so listen up. Jaguars, you did an excellent job the first week back for face-to-face learning. Way to go! You showed true leadership during temperature checks, wearing your mask, walking on the blue lines in the hallways, and sharing kindness with others. You make us Jaguar proud. Thank you, Dr. Potter. Students, let's continue to work together to wash our hands, wait and allow space between you and the person in front of you, and to wear your mask. And to continue to work on staying in control of you by practicing the 5 steps from the Jefferson I Can hand. Here are some reminders regarding our morning car line drop-off as well as our afternoon pickup procedures. In the morning, parents may begin dropping off students at 7:30 a.m. Jaguars, take the lead and start putting your mask on as your parent drives into the drop-off lane. Parents, please try to have your conversations finished with your child before you enter the drop-off lane. Students, as quickly as you can, gather your items, tell your parents you love them, and then prepare for your temperature check. Parents, please help with the traffic flow by moving on after your child has been given the all clear. Please know, when many parents choose a drop-off time closer to 8:30, there will be a longer wait time for you. This past week, we noticed that from 7:45 a.m. until 8:10 a.m., there is less wait time. So thank you for your kindness and patience as we all work together for the safety of our Jaguars. Here are some updates for dismissal at the end of the day. This week for kindergarten through 1st grade pickup in the front of the school, please know that this will be the first time we will have kindergarten and 1st grade families in the pickup line. The line will be longer than you experienced last week. Please know if your kindergartner or 1st grade student is absent, but you still have a 2nd through 5th grade child to pick up, you will still pick them up in the car lane in the front of the school. The routine will be the same. Remember to enter on F Street. The line will move a lot faster if you work with your child practicing getting in your car and quickly buckling their own car seats. Please be mindful when the cars in front of you move that you are ready to move as well. This keeps the traffic flow moving and allows our staff to get the next group of students loaded in a timely fashion. Jaguars, take the lead and move to your car quickly and safely. Quickly buckle yourself in your seat. Say hi to your parents, but wait to have a conversation with them about your day when you're out of the car line and on your way to your next destination. Your leadership in these things will help the line move faster. If you are picking up your students at the back of the building, remember to enter on G Street and turn left on Overlook. For both pickup lines, please have your car tag visible. If you do not have a car tag, please have your ID ready to be checked. If you haven't gotten your car tag, please contact the main office. Parents, it is very helpful if someone else is picking up your child to call ahead to the office at 378-2270 to let them know of the change. This small step makes the car line move faster. We appreciate your help with this. Once again, students may no longer be picked up in the front of the building and be loaded in your car in the front parking lot. Only students who are walkers exit out the front door and walk home. Parents of walkers, if you ever have to pick up your child in a car, you will need to get in the car line designated for the grade of your child. Now let's move on to the good stuff. It's birthday time at Jefferson. Celebrating a birthday on September the 9th in 1st grade is Charlie S. On September the 10th in 1st grade, Christopher C. In kindergarten, Alexander P. And in kindergarten, Isaac P. Celebrating a birthday on September the 12th in 4th grade is Jaden K. And on September the 13th in 5th grade is Damian P. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy celebrating. And now it's time for our words of wisdom. All of us are different, yet many things about us are similar or the same. But we all have our own story to tell, and that's what makes each of us so very special. When our Jefferson staff gathered back on August the 3rd, we walked in bringing different experiences from the summer and our life. We all brought with us different thoughts about this crazy COVID virus. The question was, how can each of us so different work together to make Jefferson a great place to learn? With our theme this year being These Hands Will Change the World, we were given an assignment. This picture of hands with a heart was cut up in several pieces. Each staff member was given a piece, and they were instructed to artistically share something from their life story on their piece of paper. It was interesting to see what each person created as they shared something from their life story. The question was, how much more beautiful could it be if we all put our pieces together? Jaguars, take a look at the finished product. Isn't it beautiful? Each of us have our own life story. We make our world a better place when we share our story and learn from others by listening to their life stories. We are all meant to live this life together. There's no need to be the same. Our differences are what brings out the beauty. Jaguars, I wonder what could we accomplish in making our world a better place if we take the time to get to know each other, listen to each other with a loving heart, and work together to find solutions. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Have an amazing week, Jaguars, and lead on.